So this is Old Winchester Hill, guys. An old Iron Age hill fort with Bronze Age burial mounds all over it. It's an absolute beauty. Right in the heart of Hampshire. Thought I'd pop out here today and test my new drone. Yeah, I've got a Mavic Air, guys. DJI Mavic Air. So I thought the perfect place to test it is up here. I'm going to pop down into Woodlands now, guys, and find a pitch. I'm doing an overnighter. And a beautiful, awesome day. It's a fantastic fort, this one, guys. Certainly the best in Hampshire, that's for sure. If you want to know more about the history of it, guys, I've got another video on the channel. Did a wild camp here a couple of years ago. Just over here. So from Old Winchester Hill, guys, down to Bere Forest. B-E-R-E. Time to take refuge. No pain, no gain, guys. I think it's in a woodland like this, there's tons of places to shelter. I mean, that's just bucketed down. For a good half an hour, and I'm not that wet. This is cool. And the sun's trying to come back out. Looking forward to that. Now, the only one of these I've ever tried before, these wayfarers, is their chocolate pudding. Looks like crap, but boy is it good. So I thought I'd give this a whirl. And that is proper nice. mixed vegetables in a chilli sauce with whole grain brown rice. I will have one of them again. Ta-da! Always take your litter home. This is fantastic. Absolutely ages, guys, since I've done a woodland camp, and ages since I've had the old solo stove out. So I came out today, guys, to test my drone up on Old Winchester Hill and have a do in the woods as well. Really impressed with it. Looking forward to getting that up into the mountains, guys, and that's going to be my next trip up to lakes over at New Year. And I just wanted to thank each and every one of you as well for your continued support. You know, I can't believe the response I got for the old road trip video. Thank you very much, guys, really appreciate it. Hope to do another road trip very soon, but for now, I'm just going to enjoy this woodland. Superb. So it's only about 7:30, guys. Feels much later, I'm telling you. So I'm going to zip up in a minute. I'm going to let this fire die down, zip up, and get the tablet out and watch a film, I think. Morning, guys. What a long, cold, peaceful night. Lovely and cosy in there though, guys. I've got the old Ascent 900 sleeping bag. Beautiful. Now I'm torn at the moment whether to go back to bed for an hour or enjoy this dawn chorus. Lovely. The sun's not due up for another half an hour. It's 7:15. But I've been awake for ages. I watched The Outlaw King last night. Commander Bruce. Cracking film, 2-hour film. Only problem is, my batteries are running low now on my tablet. In Saxon times, the area from Romsey to Sussex was known as Bere, meaning swine pasture. In the 12th century, the Normans made it one of their royal forests, where the king could hunt deer and wild boar. And get this, local people were allowed to gather timber and graze pigs, cattle and ponies. The word forest was the Normans' legal term for hunting land. It didn't mean that the land was all wooded. The forest laws were eventually abandoned in 1812. The Forest of Bere today is a heritage landscape stretching from Heasley to West Sussex. It supports an important range of wildlife habitats including woods, heaths, meadows, wetland and farmland. And you can see from the map, guys, it stretches for miles from Southampton to Portsmouth. All the green is classified as the Forest of Bere. And we're just up here, up the A32, West Walk. So it's 8:30, guys, and that's my first sign of any sunshine. The problem is over this side at Woods, guys, you know, there's a big hill over here and the sun comes up behind that. So it's a long time before we see it over here. So I think I might throw the drone back up, guys. Let's check it out. Right, so one last thing I want to do before I head off home, guys. There's an ancient oak tree about a mile away from here, just down through the woods. And it's all hollowed out. So I want to fly the drone and see if I can have a look down in the hollow. So I'm going to pop up there and then call it a day. Should be a bit of sunshine up there as well. So this is the ancient oak of Bere Forest, guys. No idea how old it is. But there is an old saying that it takes an oak tree 100 years to grow, it lives for 100 years, and it takes 100 years to die. So that being the theory that they only live to 300 years. But there's lots of evidence that oak trees live a lot longer. Certainly one of my favourite trees, I know that.